Sabi ko, sino kaya tong boss nila? Kilala ko yan.
Magkakasama ba? Iba ko.
Please join me in welcoming the radiant and empowering Miss Tony Miranda. Woohoo!
Nagiging naman ang konting level of difficulty. We need you. Host, respectful. What happens kung flat ang gulong ng isang bike? We're providing you handouts and starting point. With the details yan, I have provided in your that you need to improve on. All these years, I see. Okay, good. May I see at the back? This is what we will do with our... Okay, here's that. So, for your family or your office mates. Proof that your seatmate will disappoint you. Maybe or always feel na walang time ang taong pakinggan sila. Person who can help someone who's still recovering from this one. Yung pagkakataon. Thank you. Pahiwalay, so 8, no? 8 crumpled. Anyway, yeah.
2 more big deep breaths. And it is towards your hands. Dropping the
For me. Because lagi kayo, but before that, I'd like you to think, how do you want to be remembered? At least,
that someone who, a colleague can rely on me anytime.
To be reliable and
Masaya sa mga kasama mo.
oh yun! Are seeing is happening really. You are not even touching on your spiritual life. Please stage what you have learned. Okay, dapat maski one topic per morning or one. I will teach you simple prayer. May I be safe and protected. Neglecting responsibilities, disorganized and restless, low energy. Go! Joyfully and mindful. Role playing.
application ko yan.
Makikcheck na lang po. Ba't di ko alam to? Ba't di nyo sinasabi sa akin to?
Holding hands. 6.
I graduated
Mag-asa pa kasi. Sabay natin siya ibibigay. So, sa ngayon, okay ka naman, susulat ka ng paganyan. And that we can execute this purpose with confidence, courage, and radiance. In today onwards, you can make a choice. Okay?
Session with ma'am.
Kami po natutunan sa lecture na ibinigay.
Natutunan at marami kami natutunan sa'yo. Share your knowledge with us.
Really appreciate your session this afternoon. Learn how to appreciate myself more.
BS